everyone. Welcome back to Talk Zone English. I'm Ethan. Good to see you again.
And I'm Mia. Today we're talking about one of my favorite topics, traveling.
Yes, because everyone loves talking about travel. Where you want to go, where you've been, and what you saw.
So today we'll learn simple English phrases you can use when you travel, from planning your trip to talking about it later.
We'll also practice pronunciation and give you time to repeat after us.
All right, pack your bags. Let's start our English trip. Let's start easy. How to talk about your plans.
If you already have a plan, say, I'm going to Dubai next month.
Or, I'm traveling to Thailand this summer.
If it's just a dream, say, I want to go to Italy one day. I'd love to visit Japan.
Now, to ask someone, say, where are you going on your next trip? Are you going anywhere this weekend?
These are great small talk questions. You can use them when you meet new people.
Okay, let's practice. Say it after us. I'm going to Dubai next month. I'd love to visit Japan.
Nice. You sound ready for vacation already. All right. Now you're at the airport. What do you say at check-in?
Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Then the staff might ask, do you have any bags?
You can answer, yes, I have one suitcase. Or, no, I only have hand luggage.
Let's say it together. I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
Good. And if you don't understand, say, sorry, could you repeat that, please? What does that mean?
These are lifesaver phrases for travelers.
Pro tip. If you're checking flight information, ask, what time does the flight leave? Is the flight on time?
Yes. Very useful when you're at the airport board.
Okay, you've arrived at your destination. Time to check in at the hotel.
Say, hi, I have a reservation under the name Ethan. I booked a room online.
If you need something, could I have an extra towel, please? The Wi-Fi isn't working.
Or to ask for information. What time is breakfast?
These phrases are super polite and easy to use.
Let's make it fun. Mia, I'll be the guest. You be the hotel receptionist.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Ethan.
Perfect. May I see your passport, please?
Here you go. Could I have a room with a view?
Of course. Enjoy your stay.
See? Super easy and natural. Try it at home.
Next, you're exploring the city, but you're lost. What do?
You ask politely. Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
If they give you directions, you can say, thank you very much. Got it, thanks.
And if you didn't catch it, could you please say that again, slowly?
Good tip. And here's a bonus. How far is it from here?
Super simple, but really helpful.
Let's practice together. Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
Now, my favorite part of traveling, food.
Yes, at a restaurant, say, could I see the menu, please?
To order. I'll have the chicken, please.
To compliment the food. This is delicious. I really like this.
And when you're done eating, could we get the bill, please?
Perfect. Simple, polite, and natural.
If you're abroad, you can even ask, do you take credit cards?
These small phrases make you sound confident and polite.
You can say, I had a great trip.
Okay, the trip is over. Now it's time to talk about it with friends.
And for future plans, I want to go there again.
Or ask your friend, how was your trip?
And for future plans, I want to go there again.
Super positive and easy English for A1 to A2 learners.
Okay, quick quiz time. We'll give you a situation. You say the phrase.
You want to check in at the airport. Go. I'd like to check in for my flight, please.
You need help with directions. Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
You finished your meal? Could we get the bill, please?
Perfect. You're a travel English superstar now.
If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Talk Zone English.
And tell us in the comments, where do you want to travel next?
Paris, Dubai, Bali. Let us know.
Keep practicing English every day, and soon you'll travel anywhere with confidence.
See you next time. Safe travels and happy learning.
Bye, everyone.